So when talking about details, what could be worse than shady, ugly, old, worn up, beat up headlights? This is a super easy fix. After the rain, let's fix it. For today's episode, we're going to be using this 3M kit. I truly found this very interesting from a price point perspective, and also because it contains everything you need, from the sanding disc, the masking tape, even the clear coat it's included. So I really like the idea of saving hundreds cleaning my headlights instead of spending a lot of dollars buying new ones. If you share that thought, consider subscribing, and if you like the output, consider giving a beautiful thumbs up. Let's get started.